morning. This is the exacttrades.com movers report for August 11, 2011. We're taking a look here at CSCO at Cisco. You can see we're going to gap up today, going to open probably between this 1520 to 1550 area. We're going to look to short this into the gap. So wait for it to open. It may bounce a little bit, but we're looking for a new low below the open with some increasing volume. Take it short. First profit target is going to be about 1%. Move down your stop at that point and then see if it can continue to make lower lows and lower highs. Could show some support around 15 and then around this 1465, 1463 area. Last stop would be probably around 1420. Right in here you can see these highs as support. So this is to the short side. Next up we have SODA, S-O-D-A. You can see we're gapping down this morning. We could open anywhere from this 62 to 60 area. We're actually going to look for a failure of 60 to take this short. First profit target's going to be 59.40. So right about there. That's your 1%. Then see if it can break 59.40. Come into 59. So right about there. Take some more profit. And then see if it can come down into 58. If this gaps down and opens down below 59.45 to 59 area, down in this area, I would go ahead and pass on that trade. I don't see there being as much profit potential worth the risk. Taking it short down here and then having it bounce and come up against you. Next we have AIG gapping down this morning. You can see these support levels here, here, here. We're going to look for a break below this. Look to take this short below 21.85, so right in this area here. First profit target is going to be 21.65, so right about there. And then see if it can come down through 21.50. Last target would be 21. That's if you get a real downtrending stock or we get a lot of selling in the market today, which is possible. Next we have NBS. Looking to open between 52.30, possibly down even into 52. Or up here into 53. Anywhere in here we're going to look to take this short on a new low of the day with some selling. I'm looking for this to continue down today. Take your 1% profit target from your entry, whether it be up here near 53 or down into 52. The further towards 52 we open, I might start a little bit slower. If we open towards 53, I think that there'll be more money in it on the short side. So just something to think about. Take your 1% profit target from your entry, adjust your stop, and then manage it down through 2%, possibly 3%. Next we have SFSF. You can see this resistance here at 25. Back here it was support a couple times. Put a line right here. We're going to look to take this long over 25.12, so right about here, take it long. First profit target is going to be 25.37, right in there. Take a little bit more off at 25.65 and then see if it can push up into this resistance level here around 26. Next we have TAL. You can see we're gapping up this morning. Could open 26.50 or higher possibly. Looking to take this long on the open with strong buying and a new high of the day. I wouldn't chase it past 27. Anywhere below 27 down 26.85 area is fine to take it long. Look for that 1% profit target. The reason being is we're going to run in some pretty solid resistance here at 27.60, and I don't want to take all that money out of the trade and increase the risk. Could have some resistance here also at 27.20. So if it opens below 27 and has strong buying and moves up, could be a good long. Take that 1% profit, adjust your stop, protect yourself, and then see if it can move up into the 27, 27.22, and possibly 27.60. Next we have FFIV, trying to hold support here. You see the trend line break right in here. You got resistance right about 76.50, so right in there, resistance level. Next resistance is going to be 78.45, so there's still some pretty good money in this range between these two resistance levels. I would take this long over 76.67, so right about there, take it long. First profit target is going to be 77.40. So right about there, take your first profit and then see if it can move up into 78 and then that 78.50 area right in there. Next we have NWSA. See this previous day's high right here. Also Tuesday's session had the high right there at the end of the day. So we're looking at that resistance level. We're going to look to break through that resistance. I would take this long over 1464. So right about there, take it long. First profit target is going to be around 1478 or 77. Right in that area, you're going to watch it. Next profit target is going to be around 15. So right up in here. You might want to take it a little bit early, around 1495 or 1494. Got some resistance here, and then 15. So those are the areas to watch. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.